Hello everyone, welcome back to my shop. Here's a quick little video on installing light tracks. Very popular right now. Everybody wants some sort of lighting in their project. Well, for the most part, people want lighting in their project, and it's really easy to do. So I have a shelf here, and I dadoed a notch already in it, the exact width as this bottom light track. These light tracks are made out of aluminum, so you could cut them on your chop saw with your woodworking blade. You don't have to change it over to a metal saw. So I'm measuring the track. Just goes in the dado just like that. We have the track in there. Now what's left is to cut the diffuser, which is basically the plastic cover. This cuts really easy with scissors. Measure it out. Put a little mark there for my cut. And it just snaps right in the light track. Has this plastic cover on there. You could just peel that off. Nice and clean. This is a floating shelf, so when we're on site, we're gonna put the light in there, hook it all up, and then pop the diffuser in there. The bar will have, this is actually a bar right here that I'm building, so the bar will have light.